Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup. So first step you simply need to do is to go into the file manager and go into the all files. Then you need to click on internal storage, click on Android, click on media, and here you need to find com.whatsapp. So click here on WhatsApp, click on databases. Then you simply need to copy all this. Okay, so click here more, and once you select all you simply need to click on copy. Then you need to go back again and click on backups, and you simply need to paste it all here. So once you paste it all here, your WhatsApp data will be recovered. So this is a process that you need to follow. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.